Today, we're diving into the impressive Silverback NXT 54 wall-mounted basketball hoop, a game-changer for anyone looking to bring the court to their home or gym. This hoop features a 54-inch by 33-inch infinity edge backboard that folds backward, boosting rigidity and ensuring a solid playing experience. With its QuickPlay design, you can have it assembled in 120 minutes or less, thanks to pre-assembled parts that make setup a breeze. The height is adjustable from 7.5 to 10 feet, using an all-steel actuator and lock height adjustment option, making it perfect for players of all ages and skill levels. Constructed from powder-coated steel, this hoop is built to last and comes with a 5-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Ideal for indoor or outdoor spaces, whether it's a garage, gym, or barn, Silverback wall mounts offer the same performance, durability, and adjustability you'd expect from top-tier basketball hoops. Plus, the Pro-Style Flex basketball hoop rim adds an authentic touch to your game, making it a must-have for any serious player. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.